How can you save birthday reminders in the Android phone? Let me talk about it and show you some options that we definitely have available. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, there are more ways how you're going to do this, but I still believe that the best way is to use the calendar. So of course we have like the built-in Android calendar, depends on your phone, but you can most definitely get the Google Calendar, which I kind of prefer if you ask me, right? So in there you have the ability to just, show you have like the birthday section dedicated for it, right? So you already have it like built into the calendar as a feature, but you can as well just create a new event and then name it a birthday of any person and then set up a reminder, like the day before or at the day of the event, right? So this is probably the best way if you ask me personally. Like set up an event within the calendar for the birthday and have the reminder set up so it actually reminds you about it. But as I said, you can also just set up a manual birthday, right? Because there is the way to categorize it like that, and you can see that we actually have like a dedicated birthday section there, and you can add from your contacts. If you basically have some contacts which also have like the birthday in it, then it will be synced from your contacts if you have that enabled in here, and that's kind of how it will work automatically, right? So it would make sense to just add the contact information, so you have like the contacts saved, and also it would make sense to add their birthday into it because it might also integrate it automatically into some of your calendars and perhaps even let you set reminders manually. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials like this one.